You can see today people they were thinking market is bearish. Okay, market is bearish. If somebody has taken the trade, he has to take the trade here. First trade it was here because it was from the bullish. It broke the CPR, but CPR this probability is less, even though it is worked. Okay, even though it is worked, that doesn't mean that it will work every time. So if any breakout, neither it is CPR or any support resistance line or trend line, any breakout, if that breaks without any consolidations before, that might get fail, even though it work here. It broke and it gave a good profit and loss ratio. It gave a good risk reward ratio, even though it didn't reach to the yesterday high point, but there is a chances that it will uh, touch. Okay, so here we have taken a trade. If you are taking trade here, okay, from here to here, you are getting good point. I'll draw a information line. So from here, if you are taking here, you are taking from here to here, you are getting 72 candle, 72 points. Okay, in 15 minutes, means in 1 hour itself, you will get this much of points, which will give you in option at least 36 to 40 points. Okay, and if your lot size is 50, it will give you 2000 rupees easily. Okay, for example, some person has missed out this trade here. Okay, in my case, I don't take the trade. This kind of break, I don't take the trade. I take a trade if it will retest. For example, here it has taken a support. Okay, on 20 EMA is 9 EMA. 9 EMA it has taken a trade. Okay, so I'll just make it 20 EMA. So you will be able to see if you are failing to take a trade, you just see a retest. See here, it was a yesterday consolidation breakout. Okay, here, okay, this breakout, this it has retested. So this is kind of support. From here you can see it has it breakout, then give a retracement here. Okay, then it is testing. Then if it is showing some bullishness here, some green bar, it started formation. In that case, you take a trade. Here you take a trade. Okay, I will not suggest to take a trade here in fourth candle. Instead, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th candle starting point, you take a trade. Okay, if you are here, you are taking long. Okay, and your stop loss you are giving this below first CPR, that is TC. Okay, easily you are getting 2:2. If you are for example, if you are uh, taking the profit here itself, you are getting 2.39. If you want to take a profit till here, that is fine enough. 3 1 is to 3 you are getting. Okay, so trading is something that people tells that every time it won't give a 1 is to 2 ratio. I don't accept that, because I most of the cases, whenever there is a movement, you will easily get 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2.5, sometimes you'll get 1 is to 3 also. See, trading type is different. Some people they will think that their winning ratio is 70% or 75%, even though they are going to take the trade 1:1 risk reward ratio, and if they are winning 70 and losing 30, still they will be able to make 40% of return. And some people, what they will do, they will focus on the risk reward ratio instead of how many times they are winning. Even though they're 50 times they're winning and 50 times they're losing, when they're winning 15 to 200 they're winning, and when they're losing 15 to 150 they're losing, so net they are winning 50. So this is how the trader should do. Okay, and third thing is the third thing is I want to tell you, never overtrade. Okay, never overtrade. Then just align with your, see, I'm just waiting if it will touches again 18,000, because 18,000 if it will touches, no, because 18,000 there are, you can see the option chain. This position is getting increased, volume also getting increased, and see, open interest here 188, that is increasing 240% and 286, means 795 persons also they are interested to buy. 18,000 also they are interested to selling the put, that means they are bullish about the market. Okay, previous, yesterday I was looking, it was as low as 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh crore volumes. Okay, but you can say yesterday it was 1,000 something, it is getting reduced, at the same time it is getting increased here. So this is how you supposed to analyze the options. Okay, so position is getting, okay, see, you are able to see a 4.26, it is decreased at the say open interest change. Okay, at the same times you can see 180% has been increased. Okay, and okay, so this is something you have to very cautious. As for example, now I will take a trade, minimum I'll take a 18,000 call if I am in the bullish, because there I'll get 0.56 delta. That means whenever Nifty will move for 100 points, I'll get 100 into 0.56 points I'll get. Okay, also there will be theta decay. Theta decay today you can see 23.87. That means if all will be equal, price will not change. For example, to 18,029 is there. At the end of the day, it will be 18,029. Sorry, today's close 17,000. Current price is coming 17,982. Okay, now if it will, what will, if it will stay there, nothing will change. Okay, still one option seller, if they are selling this price, they will get 23 points. This is what 23.87 theta is showing. Okay, so you will be able to see here, see 286 here, 288, this position is getting increased. Whenever 17,950 will be reached, no, they will try to push the market up. Okay, I'm just waiting. Otherwise, when it will cross 18,000, again it will go up. As for option chain, it is swing like this. Then we will go to the chart. Chart, this is a future chart. Okay, this is a future chart, but I will try to show you in the option indices. So if I don't know why. This is value once again. And look this one. Okay, so this is story is telling something different. Okay, this story I am seeing with option for data. Okay, this is yesterday. I'll tell you. This one is horizontal line. Okay, this is nothing but previous day. This I'll delete it. No use. Okay, so control Z. I just want to delete this one. Okay, it is I can delete from here. So here also this is a zone. See from where it is. So what I'm trying to tell you today, in first trade you can see there is a bullish. It was gap up, but it was people would have sold here. Okay, people would have sold here, and another candle it broke here. Okay, and for from the future data you can see there is a good volume. Okay, and also it is retesting here in the 20 EMA. So one trade you are getting here, even though this is a CPR, and in past 15 minutes this is a quick trade. In 15 minutes it will work. Okay, this is 920 strategy of Mr. Ghanshyam. It worked well today. You are able to see this one.